Y'all, this glueless wig may be the one. I think this one is my favorite one to date. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And I'm gonna explain just why. Here is another wear and go wig. This wig is from Lolly Hair. I wanna thank them for sponsoring today's video. So this is their Water Wave 5x5 HD lace closure wig. And it does come with a pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline, and bleached knot. It's one of their PPB unit. Every time I say that, it's like a tongue twister. This wig is 28 inches long. Do y'all see this baby? And one of the main reasons that this is one of my faves is it already comes, like I said, pre-plucked with the bleached knots, pre-cut hairline, so I didn't have to do any customizations there, and it was actually ready to wear straight out of the box. Normally with curly, water wave, deep wave textures, I do have to go in and wet down the hair, but it already came with nicely defined waves, and all I did was comb out the hair with a wide tooth comb, and look at this fullness right here, y'all. If y'all are looking for a full glueless wig that you can wear straight out of the box, that you don't have to do any customizations to at all, this is the wig for you, okay? If you would like to get into this wig install, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind?
Oh my gosh, y'all, this wig was so easy to apply. I love the way that it looks. She is gorgeous. I think this is going to be my new favorite wig. So if y'all see me wearing this wig in a bunch of future videos, listen, I'm obsessed. I'm loving it. And y'all know I switch my wig like this. So if I'm saying I want to rock this wig on a continuous basis, I'm in love with it. That's how much I like this wig right here. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Lolly Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box for y'all. I really do appreciate your continued love and support. And if you would like to check out my latest Get Ready With Me video, I'm gonna leave the link right here for y'all. So be sure to check that out right now.